Pinch. The act of pinching, nip squeeze. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Put another pinch of tea in the pot. Sift. To pass flour, sugar, or a similar substance. Sift the flour and baking powder into a mixing bowl. Break. To separate or make something separate into two or more pieces. Break the egg into a cup, then add it to the bowl. Knead. To manipulate or massage with a kneading motion. Lightly knead the mixture on a floured surface. Melt. To become altered from a solid to a liquid state, usually by heat. Melt a lump of butter in your frying pan. Peel. To take the skin off a fruit or vegetable. Peel and grate the potatoes. Peel the onion and cut it in half lengthwise. Spread. A soft food that you put on bread. He spread some strawberry jam on his toast. Fry. To cook something or to be cooked in hot fat or oil. Slice up the mushrooms and fry them. Drain. To become emptied or freed of liquid by its flowing or dropping. Drain the pasta as soon as it is cooked. Pour. To pour a liquid or particles into a container. He carefully poured the water into her glass. Mash. To make into a soft, pulpy mass by beating or pressure. You can help mash up the potatoes for me. Chop. To cut something into pieces with a knife, etc. Chop the celery and add it to the salad. Squeeze. An act of pressing something firmly. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Slice. A flat piece of food that is cut from a larger piece. She ate the entire slice of pizza. Grate. To rub food into small pieces using a metal tool, grater. Grate the carrot finely into small pieces. Sauté. To cook food over high heat, usually in butter or oil. Add onion to pan and sauté until lightly brown. Boil. To heat a liquid until it boils and let it keep boiling. Boil plenty of salted water, then add the spaghetti. Steam. The hot gas that is produced by boiling water. Steam rose from the boiling kettle. Grill. To cook food over fire or hot coals, usually on a metal frame. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. To cook or be cooked in an oven or over a fire. I personally would rather roast a chicken whole. Blend. An electric machine that is used for making food into liquid. Combine the milk and eggs in a blender.